In this video, you'll learn how to delete a course on Udemy. This process will guide you through accessing your instructor dashboard and permanently removing a course from your. Begin by signing in to your Udemy instructor account. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to your instructor dashboard. This dashboard serves as the central hub for managing your courses, and from here you can access various features related to course creation and management. Next, locate the course management section. Within this area, you will find a list of all the courses you have created. Identify the course you wish to delete from this list. Click on the course title to open its settings page. This page will provide you with various options related to the selected course. After opening the course settings, look for the option labeled Delete or Unpublish. This option is typically found within the course management area. Selecting this option will initiate the deletion process. Ensure that you are choosing the correct course, as this action will permanently remove it from your account. Once you have selected the delete option, you will be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen confirmation steps to finalize the deletion. It is essential to understand that after this action, the course will no longer be available to any students on the platform. Make sure to consider this before proceeding. If you have large courses or numerous students enrolled, it may be worthwhile to inform them prior to deletion. Additionally, ensure your account has adequate storage and that deleting this course aligns with your overall course management strategy. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.